Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to add an image, okay? So let's delete all this, press A. Let me before that open this one. Every time I'm forgetting this to open this one. And press A and X or delete, you can do it, delete, okay? So if I want to add an image, I'll shift A. I'll go to the image. We have reference and background. Both of them are nearly same, okay? So let's add the reference and let me go to the desktop. In the desktop I'll go to the Blender. In the Blender we have this one, front, and you can see when I put this one, it is put it to the view I am in. For example, if I come to here, for example, if I delete this and go to the image reference and put this one, you see it's aligning with my view. Okay, so I'll delete it, and what I'll do, if I want to put it right, I'll shift A and go to the reference and go to the front. I'll go to the object properties, and here I can make it 0 tab 0 tab 0 enter. You see it's like this, but I don't want it to be like this. I want to be facing me. So what I will do, I'll select this one and press I can come to here or the x-axis because I want to put it from here like this, so it will rotate like this. You see, let me delete this, erase this, and let me come to here and go to the x-axis 90 degree, and it will be like this. Okay, so another thing is that we can scale this one by pressing S or moving it, grabbing it, or pressing we can do another thing is that let's go back, let's select this and press R. I can rotate it. For example, if I control Z like this, if I select this and press R and press X, because we want it in the x-axis, X, and I want 90 degree, enter. I'll just put 90 and enter. Okay, so now from here it's 90. So we know that. But you want to make things faster and easier, you can delete this, you can go to the front and shift A. You can go to the reference and go to the front like this. You see, it's easier for you, maybe not. Okay, so it's like this. So what can we do is that we can do the same thing with the background. Let's go to the desktop, Blender, front, like this, same, but the background has not back, it has no back, I think. Yeah, let's select this one and shift A. Let's press shift A and go to the reference and see the difference. You see, both has back, but the reference one is only doesn't have the back. You see, this one has only the front image. Okay, so let's go to the front and press shift A and go to the reference and put the front here, and let's create something. Shift A and go to the mesh, and I'll do a UV. I'll just put a cylinder here like this. Shift A and go to the cylinder, and I'll select this cylinder, and I'll go shift A. I'll scale it, not shift A. Sorry for that. And let me come to here. Let me adjust the photo. I'll press G and X. So I will just adjust it like this. And I'll come back to the cylinder and press it like this. So I fit it to here, and I can see it's in the center. It's okay for me. So I will go with here and I will select the cylinder, and I can go with this one, edit mode, or I press tab. I'll press tab and go to here to the face selection, but I will not go to here because I have my numpad, so I don't care. If you don't have numpad and you emulated your let me show you. You emulated the this one, emulate numpad, so you should choose from here. But if you didn't emulate, so you can just press 3 and it will go to the face selection. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go to the first and I will just press E, okay, E, and I will just put it here, and you see it's just something like this, and I'll scale it like this, and just I'll go E and I will scale it, E, scale it like this. Let me come to here and E to again to extrude it, E like this. Let me come back by Control Z. You can come back or you can press G to put it in the Z direction, and you can scale it again like this and extrude again like this. Let's say like this and extrude it again, and you can come to here and extrude it from this one. You can, if it's same thing, you can press G and Z, you can come till the end, okay, and extrude E, and I'll just press, but it was too much, so let's go back, Control Z and E a little bit, and yeah, extrude like this, scaling it, extruding it, and yeah, that's it. You see, we created something like this. Okay, you can later do this one, but we will not do this one because it was just showing that why we use image in it. Okay, so I'll delete this, and you can see something like this, and I can press Control 1 to smooth it, okay, or Control 1 is for putting the subdivision modifier, but we will later on discuss about this. Okay, I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.